In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy garden items from Ace Hardware. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in acehardware.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Ace Hardware. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find this section for popular categories. You'll be able to see various types of categories available in Ace Hardware. What you have to do is find this category for lawn and garden. After you do that, click on it. Now you'll be able to see the items related with garden over here. You'll also be able to find various options at the left. You can click on the option of your choice and you'll be able to see the item accordingly. So what you have to do is simply find the item that you would like to purchase. After you do that, click on that particular category. Now compare all the items according to the pricing and ratings. After you do that, click on the item of your choice. Now you'll be able to see more details regarding that item over here. You can see the price. Also, you'll be able to find the options for pickup and delivery. Click on the option of your choice. After you do that, you'll also have to specify the quantity. Click on the field of quantity. Now click on the option of your choice. After you do that, what you have to do is click on this option, add to cart, that you can see on the screen. Now this particular garden item will be added to the cart. Click on this option, view cart. Now you'll be able to view the cart. You'll be able to see the subtotal, estimated shipping fee, sales tax, estimated total over here. Click on this option, checkout, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface. You'll have to enter the delivery address, shipping method and payment method over here. You can edit your delivery address if you want. Likewise, you can also select the shipping method of your choice. Now what you have to do is enter the payment method. You'll be able to find the options like credit or debit card, Apple Pay and PayPal. Click on the payment method of your choice. For example, I'm just going to click on this option, credit or debit card. If you also do that, you have to enter the card details over here. Enter the card number, expiration date and CVC. Also select the billing address and click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now if the details are correct, this card will be added to your account and it will be used as the payment method. Now what you have to do is click on this option, place order, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for the transaction to be completed and your order will be placed and you'll be able to receive the order according to the estimated shipping time. So like this, you'll be able to buy the garden items. So that is how you buy garden items from Ace Hardware. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.